we can see that this we have turned on this watch receiver, and then we will enter the setting page. Long press this key. Long press. Yeah, we can see that there are 13 options on this setting page. The first is add color, and the second is delete color, and key function. We can see the name on this setting page. Okay, today I will show you the add color, delete color, and key function. First, I will add color. I will add this one, this type. This is one button, call. I will call this color, to check it whether we have added. Yeah, we have added this one, so I will use this type. No action, right? So I will add this one. Long press the keys and choose the add color. Enter this key to enter. Press this key to enter. And then we press this button. Yeah, you can see that. We can see that there is a done on this place. Back to the home page to check it whether we have added. And yeah, we called, and this watch receiver have received the signal. It means that we have added this button successful. Long press, and we see how to delete color. We will this key to enter. There are two delete signal and delete all. We can see this. Long press this key to delete all. Long press. You can see that. Remove all and removed. No action.